Put your skid steer to use with the R25HS Dominator stump grinder from Reist Industries. This hydraulically powered stump grinder utilizes your skid steer's existing hydraulics to give you all the benefits of a premium dedicated stump grinder while utilizing your existing equipment for the ultimate blend of performance and value. The R25HS model can be powered by 3 separate motor options to accommodate 16 to 38 gallons per minute power units that spins a powerful 25-inch rotor fitted with indexable wear-sharp teeth, optimized for precision cutting. The swing arm is controlled by an angling hydraulic cylinder capable of swinging the unit 41 inches of travel distance for practical reach while reducing repositioning. For added safety, a deflector is crafted from high-density polyurethane, built to withstand abuse in any climate condition and effectively containing debris from the stump, ensuring a clean and efficient operation. Push your skid steer to the limit with the R25HS Dominator stump grinder from Reist Industries. For more information on this product or others, visit us at reistindustries.com.